If you have several legal documents and you're in need of a quick way to add a bait stamp, let DeftPDF show you how you can work with your PDF fast and free from DeftPDF's web-based platform. From the DeftPDF.com homepage, let's click on All Tools and then select Baits Numbering. Click to upload the PDF file you'd like to add a bait stamp to. Select from one of our pre-selected styles and customize, or you can create your own style. Select the location and orientation of the numbering. Select where the sequence and counter starts from, and then click Bait Stamp. Now you can save your file locally to Dropbox, Google Drive, and more. Visit DeftPDF.com to see what else you can do through our easy-to-use platform.